Whenever you zoom into the Hermit's ladder in many decks, you will see a six-pointed star, and that symbol is often called the Seal of Solomon. So we're going to decode it to understand what it actually means. So that six-point star is a hexagon, right, y'all? Two triangles that interlock. One triangle points up, one triangle points down. That is visually but symbolically loaded. Let me get there so I can explain what I mean. The upward triangle represents spirit, fire, masculine principle and energy, aspiration, and the higher mind. It's the movement upward, expansion. All right. Now the downward triangle, it represents matter, water, feminine principle and energy, manifestation, and the subconscious. It's descent, right? So it's grounding. It's bringing energy into form. Now, when they interlock, you get a union. Above and the below, conscious and unconsciousness, heaven and earth, logic and intuition. This is why the symbol often gets translated as above, so below. Is integration, not escaping the world, not drowning in it, but balancing both. So, why is it the Hermit's ladder? The Hermit does not hold random light, y'all. It holds balance, wisdom. The seal of Solomon in the ladder symbolizes integrated knowledge, mastery of duality, inner equilibrium, illumination that comes from self-union. That's that oneness again we were talking about in the High Priestess. Anyway, the light isn't emotional chaos, y'all. It's aligned insight, that inner knowing. That's why only the ladder, it only lights a few steps ahead. It don't light the entire staircase because the Hermit knows balanced wisdom moves carefully. So let's talk about who Solomon was. Solomon, in biblical and mystical tradition, was known for extraordinary wisdom. Later on, occult traditions expanded the legend, claiming he possessed a ring or seal that gave him authority over spirits. Now, historically, those magical stories came from later folklores and medieval druids. Symbolically, though, Solomon represents discipline, intelligence, and spiritual authority. So the seal of Solomon became the shorthand for mastery through wisdom. So, is that 6-point star that's in the ladder, is it the same as the Star of David? Okay, visually it is. It's the same geometric shape. But historically, the meaning developed differently, like across different cultures, y'all. So the hexagram is in what? Jewish symbolism. We know it's in Islam, it's in Hindu, and it's all through our Western occult traditions. All right. It's more of a universal geometric archetype. So it's not owned by one narrative or one creed or group, y'all. Let's break down what the six even stands for numerology. So the layers start like this. Six is harmony, balance, responsibility, and service. So six in sacred geometry often represents equilibrium. Excuse me, two triangles and 3 points each. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So that equals dual forces unified. Then that literally brings within balance. Remember, that's the symbolism of the Hermit's ladder. Now we want to think about this psychologically. The seal of Solomon would represent integration of the shadow and the higher self. You know how people say, my lower self, my higher self? Meaning, your higher self, you think out of faith. Lower self, you think out of fear. All right, so that means that if you got the seal of Solomon and it's integrated, you're not ruled by instinct, but you're not disconnected from instinct either. So that's why when the Latin lights up, it's not about controlling spirits. It's all about controlling yourself. That's the real takeaway, y'all. The seal of Solomon in the Hermit card is not about like no magic tricks, like mentally or physically. It's about wisdom that comes from balancing opposites inside of you. For example, the mind and the body, the light and the shadow, the action and the reflection. So when it points down to it, the hermit doesn't need a spotlight. The lantern is enough. I appreciate y'all for following me so far. If you got comments, don't be scared to drop them down. Let me know what you think and you got questions. I appreciate y'all, family. That's the hermit in a nutshell.